Good morning all. We are from Government Degree College, Kaitabad. My name is Santosh, Nandini, Shravani, Swati, Sri Venkata Nagasri. The title of the project is Properties and Applications of Different Types of Lenses. What is lens? A lens is a transmissive optical device that focuses or disperses light beams using refraction. Spherical lens. A spherical lens has spherical surfaces as bounds. If the thickness of the lens is small compared to the radius of curvature of spherical surfaces, the image distance, the object distance, etc. There are two types of lenses. One is concave lens, another one is convex lens. Convex lens. If a lens thicker at the center than the edges, it is an convex lens. Since parallel rays converge to meet at the focus, concave lens. If a lens thinner at the center than the edges, it is an concave lens. Since parallel rays converge spread out. Lens maker's formula: 1 by f is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by f. Here f is focal length, b is image distance from the lens, u is object distance from the lens. The topic continued by my friend Nandini.
Properties of lenses in converging lens. In this, we have three rules. One is the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it passing through the first focus. Rule 2. The ray of light which is passing through the optical center. After refraction, it becomes straight. It emerges without any deviation. Rule 3. The ray of light which is passing through the first foci. After refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Image formation by converging lens in different positions. When an object is placed at infinity, it will produce real erected image at the first focus. This type of image is forming is shown in telescopes. When an object is placed beyond the 2f, it will produce real inverted diminished image between the f and 2f. This type of image formation is shown in cameras. When an object is placed at the 2f, it will produce real and inverted image and same size of the image at the 2f. This type of image formation is shown in photographers. When an object is placed between the 2f and f, it will produce real inverted image at the beyond the 2f. This type of image formation is shown in photocopies. When an object is placed at the f, it will produce real inverted and highly magnified image at the infinity. When an object is placed between the 2f and f, it will produce upright and larger virtual image at the on the same side of the object. Here it is the real and erected image. This is the virtual image. The next topic will continue by
Properties of diverging lens. It has three rules. When a light ray goes parallel towards the principal axis, it will diverge away from the principal axis. In a rule 2, when a ray goes towards the front of the foci, it will go parallel towards the principal axis of the refraction. In a rule 3, when a ray goes parallel at the optical center, it will go straight without any deviation. Concave lens acts as a diverging lens. It always produces a virtual image which is upright and smaller than the object and which is used to correct the nearsightedness myopia. Image formation in the concave lens. When an object is placed behind the 2f, the image is formed between the optical center and foci and image is virtual, erect and diminished. When an object is placed between the optical center and f, the image is formed between the focus and optical center which is virtual, erect and diminished. When an image is formed between when an object is formed between the optical center and 2f, the image is formed between the optical center and foci, which is virtual, erect and diminished. Here we can observe wherever the image is formed, object is formed, image is always formed between the optical center and foci. This topic is continued by Swati.
Applications of lenses. In the applications of convex lens, magnifying glasses. In our study of lenses, we say that if the source was placed within a converging lenses, the lens adhered the magnified image on the same side of the lens of this source. It's the best friend of detective's best friend, the magnifying glasses. The amount of magnification, as we know about the treatment of lenses, depends on the distance of the lens source and reflective index of the lens material. And next, camera. The convex lenses are used in photographic lenses and cameras. The camera lenses are used in is an optical lenses used in conjunction with a camera body and mechanism to make image on the object either on photographic films or on other medium capable of storing and images chemically and photographically. And next topic continued by my friend Nagasri.
Applications of concave lens. The first one is laser beams. Laser beams are technology that are used in lots of equipments like CD players, scanners, DVD players. Many other instruments use laser beams. Laser beams are very highly focused and need to ensure the proper working of an instruments. Concave lenses are used to disperse the focus and device functioning properly. Small concave lenses are used for this because they within the laser beams and access the particular area. This is how the concave lenses are used for a laser beams. The next one is flashlight. The use of concave lenses in the flashlight helps us to magnify the light coming out of it. The light ray directly passing through the concave lens, then it diverges when it passing through it. The increased radius of the light ray after passing through the concave lens, they makes a wider field. There are several more uses of lenses, but we discussing about some important ones. We use